discuss. Welcome students. We are going to discuss today about the topic of interface. So in Java, interface is a block of abstract data type which can take the form of a class when it is implemented, and its variables can become a member of a class and can be accessed using the object of the class implementing the interface. Interface in itself, the object members cannot be accessed, but once they are implemented, the interface takes the form of a class. So we can say that interface is a dynamic data type. It is a data type that has the characteristics of taking the form of a dynamic runtime binding. We also call it as the dynamic binding. It does not have its own functions and implementations. Interface is a collection of abstract functions, abstract methods. Abstract methods in Java are those methods which are not implemented, but they are blank. They are blank, and a interested class can implement an interface. Let us say, for example, there is a class sort that can sort n numbers of data, and there is another class sort which is also doing the same thing. It is also doing the same thing. It is solving some problem. It is supposed to solving some problem. Now this is the user who is don't have the knowledge on sorting, and he does not know what is the sorting. And he wants to use this interface. Now what the user should do, user should get access of this interface, and both these classes they will be implementing this interface. Both these classes they will be implementing interface, and the user of the sorting data, suppose the user has n number of suppose 1000 values, and all are jumbled. They are not in a proper sequence, and the user wants to make it into a sequence of suppose increasing order, but he does not know. So what the user should do is to find the proper interface that is given, and a proper interface that is given, and the proper class which has implemented the interface. There is the interface. Suppose, let us say, there is the interface for sort, and there are two classes which has implemented the interface. The user has to user has the option to make a connection between this interface and this class, or between this interface and this class. So it's up to the user. Both the classes have implemented. Implemented means the function. Implemented means implementation of a function. A function has its it has so many classes we have discussed on functions. So functions have its name, functions have its return type, and function has their arguments. So function has their arguments. So function also has a function call, function declaration, and function definition. So interface is only a function declaration where the name of the function is a return type and its arguments, that is the structure of the function, is given to the user. The structure of the function is given to the user, and some class will implement the program. That means some class will write the program for this function. Some class will write the program for this function. Let us say this function is f. Both these classes will write the program for this function f. Both these classes will write the program for the function f, and the user knows the name of the function, but he does not want to write the program, or maybe he does not know how to write the program. So these two classes, A and B, these two classes have implemented this interface, and the user should able to use the functions implemented using the interface.